Hey everybody, it's Sharon from Let's Get Down to Business Bootcamp. What the heck time is it? Well, it's time to learn what is the Articles of Organization or Certificate of Formation for your LLC. Now, if you've followed me at all, you know that I'm a big fan of not operating your business under just your name, but setting up as a limited liability company or LLC. When you set up as an LLC and follow the rules and run your business actually like a business and not your personal piggy bank, you're going to separate your personal assets from your business. So if something happens in your business, your house, your bank accounts, your money is going to be safe. So what do? How do you set up this wonderful, magical thing called a limited liability company? The first thing you need to do is go to your local, online, state corporate office, because nowadays you can do it all online. In the state of Maryland, we have something called Maryland Business Express, which lets you file all of your online forms for business. And every state has some online version of their Secretary of State office online or their corporate offices online. When you find your local office, the corporate office, and when I say local, I mean your state. It's one for the state. It's not by city, it's by state. When you find the online location for the corporate office, look for forms and then look for LLC, and it's sometimes called an Articles of Organization. It might be called a Certificate of Formation, but it's really simple and it's not anything to be afraid of, really. It's usually 1 or 2 pages, and it asks for basic factual information like the name of the business, the address, the phone number, who the principal contact, also known as the resident agent, will be. And it asks you to describe what type of services you will provide or products you will sell. Why is the business being run? You can be specific. You could say provide travel services, or you could be more general to say, I am setting up the name of your business to conduct all lawful business permitted in the state of, insert your state name. How you decide to fill that out is up to you. And then you'll pay a filing fee. It's usually around $100, somewhere in the $50 to $150 range. It's not anything that should stop you from doing it, because for $100 to $150, if you're going to protect all of your money, that's like the best investment ever, really. I have my business set up as an LLC. I always encourage people to use an LLC. If you're a solo consultant or a small business, it really is fantastic. So you'll file the documents, you'll pay the $100 fee or $150 filing fee, and you will be set. Now, I hear some of you going, I don't know what my corporate office is for my state. How do I find it? I'll tell you what, I'm so convinced this is important. If you send me a PM and tell me what state you are in the United States, I will send you the link to where you can find the LLC operating agreement for your state. I will take the time, I will look it up, I will send it to you. I mean it, no charge. You let me know what state you're in. You've got to tell me the state, and I will send you the information on how to go ahead and file your LLC. I'm not your lawyer because we don't have a personal relationship, but I can point you in the right direction to file the documents in the state. Now, there are a couple of the things that you need to do over time, like file for your IRS tax information, and things that you should do, like set up an LLC operating agreement, which we'll talk about in a different what the heck. But you've now set yourself up as an LLC, and you are ready to run your business and rock the world and protect your personal assets. So, all right, everybody, I hope you learned something. You're excited to set up your business legally as an LLC, and I hope I will see you next week for another episode of What the Heck Does That Contract Clause Document Mean? Have a great day, everybody.